Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 10 to 16, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, so let's see, Gemini, what's up? Weekly reading, peace, kapayapaan. Some of you wants peace of mind. Maaring iba gusto nyo na yung mapag-isa, no? Para mas makapag-isip-isip kayo, makapagnilay-nilay kayo. Yung iba naman maaring may peace offering. It's either ikaw yung makikipagbate or merong taong makikipagbati sa'yo. You also have glamour. This is about taking care of your physical appearance. O maaring iba sa inyo, may mga improvement kayong ginagawa sa inyong sarili. Maaring kayo ay may bagong skincare or meron kayong na-discover na bagong pamamaraan para ma-enhance ang inyong beauty. Ayan. So this is more of taking care of yourself. And as another thing is, maaring nagma-manifest ka rin. You are manifesting through reflection, no, sa mirror, na you are saying affirmations sa sarili mo na I am good, I am great, mga ganon. Kung ano-ano pang mga affirmations just to boost your confidence. And then you have destiny. So you are guided, no? Gina-guide ka sa iyong purpose, sa iyong destiny. I think ngayon malalaman mo yan kung ano yung path na para sa'yo, saan ka mas nagre-resonate, saan ka mas nagiging masaya, saan ka mas at peace. Kasi 'di ba, kapag walang peace of mind, ibig sabihin hindi ka magiging fulfilled sa situation na yan, whether that is a relationship, a situationship, or a career, or a business that you are taking, no? So if there is, kung nakakaramdam ka ng peace, kapayapaan ng isip, then that is the sign na you are going towards your destiny. Let's see your overall energy. You have the 5 of Wands. So, merong conflict dito. Conflicted ka with the things that you've been doing. Alam mo yung tipong, meron kang ginagawa pero ayaw mo namang gawin. Kaya lang, kailangan mong gawin kasi wala kang choice. Kahit ano pa yan. So, there's some sort of conflict on the things na you've been doing. Kaya you want this peace of mind para mas makapag-isip ka ng maayos. Your challenge is the 7 of Cups. So, ayun na nga, meron ditong kaguluhan ng isip, confusion. So, maaring you are in the verge of making a decision, no? So, pwedeng kailangan mong mag-decide which path to take, ano na ba yung gagawin mo moving forward, what's your next action. So, ngayon, naguguluhan ka. Maari kasing merong mga bagay na kino-consider ka sa paligid mo or mga taong ini-impluwensyahan ka sa decision making mo. So, if you need to make a major decision, you have to make sure that you have peace of mind, no? Clear yung isip mo. And then your opportunity is the Knight of Wands. As an opportunity, you're going to take a risk, or yung parang maglalakas loob ka na gawin or subukan. Kaya lang ang ano rito is, ang downside lang dito is baka meron kang gawin na kaya mo siya gagawin para lang masabi na nakapag-desisyon ka na or nakapili ka na. Alam mo yun, na parang hindi mo talaga pinag-isipan. So, be careful. Piliin mo kung saan ka mas aligned, no? Mas aligned yung energies mo, yung knowledge mo, whatever this is. And then, your blessing is the Knight of Swords. The Knight of Swords is about the truth. Ito yung pagiging prangka. Baka merong person na makikipag-usap sa'yo, paprangkahin ka, tapos parang ikaw matatauhan sa mga bagay na dapat mong malaman tungkol sa sarili mo or mga bagay na dapat mong gawin. You have garden. So, meron ditong event, major event. Pwedeng merong kasalan, binyagan, or kahit ano pang event party na pupuntahan mo. Kaya lang baka meron kang makita doon na ayaw mong makita. Yung tipong pwedeng may conflict kayo ng taong to, kaaway mo, or hindi mo siya gustong makita doon. Or baka merong makikipagplastikan sa'yo dito. But I feel like you will know, malalaman mo if this person is not true to you. Kasi meron ditong sun. The sun is about illumination, no? Merong naliliwanagan. So, maaring meron kang, this can be a kaibigan, no? Kaibigan or someone that within your circle, and you will realize that this person ay merong mga hindi magandang intentions towards you, or pwedeng yung simpleng pagkainggit or pagkaselos sa'yo, no? Money, career, finances, you have the 4 of coins and the Hierophant. So, you are really growing your finances, Gemini. I think you are learning new ways to earn money. So, pwedeng may pinag-aaralan ka bagong pamamaraan para kumita ng pera. Pwedeng side hustle lang yan, or pwedeng online job. I think you are also asking for advice from a mentor. So, pwedeng merong nagme-mentor sa'yo, tumutulong sa'yo, nagtuturo sa'yo. You are also going to connect with nature. Lalo na kung meron kang kailangang pagdesisyonan agad-agad. Yung sabi nga nila, yung maglalakad-lakad ka lang sa park. Ayan, nakakatulong yan para makapagpa-clear ng iyong mind. And then, sa love life, you have the Justice card and the 9 of Swords. Nako, maaaring meron sa inyo rito na gustong gumante sa kanilang person, lalo na kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng hindi magandang separation, or itong taong to merong hindi magandang ginawa sa'yo. Actually, kung sino man tong tao na to na merong nagawang hindi maganda sa'yo, this person is getting the karma that they deserve. Okay? Something or someone is stressing you out This can be a person na nakakasama mo ngayon, para siyang naudlot na pag-iibigan. Oo, na sa una okay kayo, masaya, and then eventually may mga nalaman ka tungkol sa taong to with the Justice card, and you realize na binibullshit ka lang pala ng taong to. Okay, so that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.